Hey there, I'm Eamon Convey, and welcome back to another Boosteum tutorial. In this part 2, we're going to teach you how to load up your crypto wallet with Polygon, aka Matic. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Polygon, just another blockchain alternative to Bitcoin or Ethereum, but it has extremely low transaction fees, and therefore it's going to save you guys a lot of money. In the previous video, we showed you how to set up your crypto wallet through MetaMask. That's the one you're going to use to fund in order to buy on the Boosteum NFT marketplace. Alright, so here you can see we're on the Boosteum homepage. We'll be buying $100 of Polygon today. They go under the symbol Matic. Transact makes this super easy. You pay a 4% fee to them, you pay a 1% fee to Boosteum, and you get your Polygon nice and easy. A lot of other services you could transfer in from external crypto wallets if you're familiar with the process already. If not, reach out to us and we'll help you. This, of course, is just a fake credit card that we've created so we can spoof some transactions to show you guys how it works. And again, you're going to have to enter your credit card. How else will you purchase cryptocurrency, correct? So once we make sure that everything is all set, we hit continue. AuthorizeCheckout.com to debit your account. You're agreeing to zero hash, which is the holding company's policies, and you're certifying that the wallet you're sending the Polygon to is in fact controlled by yourself. So now you get a verification code. This is the first step of Know Your Customer. Again, we would like these things to be completely anonymous, give no personal information, but unfortunately with US financial regulations, Know Your Customer is in place and it will have to be completed through Transact. It's really very simple information, basic user information that is needed to identify you. So again, just fill out all of your address, make sure you get the code for your email, and then you're going to have to fill in your social security number. Now I know this is where some people may balk, but again, US financial regulations stipulate that Transact must collect this information and know your customer. Once you get through, two-factor authentication right there, capital C checkout 1. That's checkout 1 with a capital C. Make sure you enter it that way. I made that mistake a few times, as you can see there. We've got our 100 Matic loaded in our wallet, and in the next video, we're going to show you how to buy a shiny new NFT off the Boosteum marketplace. Thanks for joining me.